I'm sure this is what every person ever bought real estate in their life says. I wish I would have done it 5 years ago. Well, I've been fighting the UFC for 13 years. I could have bought a property with every single paycheck, put a down payment on one every single paycheck. So I would urge for any fighter that listens or anyone that may eventually end up in the UFC or get lump sum payments, dude, don't put that fucking money in the bank. Find a way to suck it up. All you got to do is train every day. You know what I mean? So, I got kids now and stuff, so it's a little more. But, if you're a single dude looking to be a fighter, you make some money, you buy a fucking property. Like if you do 10 years like me, imagine if I would have had that mindset then. I get a lump sum and it's like, okay, well, I need this to survive until I fight again. I got to have cash flow. With real estate, it's like for a fighter, it just makes more sense than anything else that I can imagine.